Good news for people who own XRP, the final settlement with Ripple has been accepted by the SEC. This could be a game changer for the cryptocurrency. A long-running court case between Ripple and the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission is finally over. Many investors and experts are happy with the result of this approval. Ripple is no longer bound by there's been a cloud of legal uncertainty over XRP for years. What does this mean for its future? Experts say that XRP's price could go through the roof, with some even expecting a $5,000 plus increase in value. The end of the court case takes away a big problem for Ripple. As a result, XRP is now ready to experience growth like never before. Investors who have held on to XRP during this rough patch may be about to get a huge return on their money. Now that the law is clear, Ripple can focus on growing its business by forming more partnerships and making XRP more useful in the financial world by getting institutions to adopt it. On the rise in waves, banks and payment companies around the world are starting to use this technology. XRP's future looks better than ever. If you've been thinking if it's time for XRP to break through the $55,000 mark, now might be the time to pay close attention. Ripple can now grow thanks to the SEC deal, and the crypto market is already responding to this good news. It's an exciting time. To understand why this settlement is such a big deal for XRP and the many ways it could grow in the future, let's quickly go over the history of the lawsuit between Ripple and the SEC. For years, XRP has been in a legal fight with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The SEC accused Ripple of selling XRP as an unregistered security, which caused huge losses for the company. Many investors were confused about whether XRP would be considered a security, which would make it illegal for businesses to trade or use it. This lawsuit caused chaos in the market and made people unsure about the future of the cryptocurrency. Ripple's whole business model was at risk in the court case, and XRP's value dropped as a result, even though Ripple fought hard to protect itself. Its stance is that XRP is a digital currency, not a property, and shouldn't be controlled in the same way that stocks or bonds are. During this time, Ripple continued to grow its partnerships and show that XRP had real-world value. The company worked with big banks and financial institutions around the world to show how XRP could change the way money moves across borders. Despite the ongoing legal battle, Ripple's technology continued to gain popularity, and many saw the lawsuit as a problem that could be solved in the long run. Now, after years of legal uncertainty, the settlement's final approval by the SEC is a big win for Ripple. It marks a big step forward in the company's history. XRP no longer has to worry about legal issues, so Ripple can focus on its goal to update the world's financial system. With this clarity, Ripple and XRP can now grow and expand without worrying about regulatory issues. For investors, this is a big turning point because the approval opens up new growth opportunities and success in the long run. The price of XRP is already going up, but experts think this is just the start. The real surge could happen soon now that the lawsuit is over for Ripple. The next big question is how the market is responding to this big news. Since the SEC approved the final settlement, the price of XRP has already started to go up. People who weren't sure about XRP's future are now getting back into the market, eager to make money on what could be the start of a big price rise. The SEC's approval has taken away any doubts and restored faith in Ripple's future. Experts are predicting that the price of XRP will go up a lot, with some expecting a rise to up to $55,000 per coin. This prediction is based on a number of reasons. First, the lack of regulatory uncertainty has made institutional investors less hesitant to invest in XRP. They are now more likely to do so, especially since major financial institutions already use Ripple's technology for cross-border payments. The need for XRP is likely to, as more banks and payment providers use Ripple's technology, its value will rise. XRP could become a key part of all global financial transactions. The general rise of the cryptocurrency market also plays a part as cryptocurrencies continue to become more popular. More people are looking for investments that can grow quickly. XRP now has its with no legal problems in the way. It is perfectly placed to gain from this surgeon's interest in institutional adoption, real-world utility, and legal issues. Clarity makes it possible for XRP to grow very quickly, and the $5,000 price is proof of this. The goal may seem high, but many people think it can be reached, especially if XRP keeps going up. Progress in the world's financial markets, the market's response so far, shows that XRP is ready for the next step. Now that the legal uncertainty is over, the path to a huge price increase is looking clearer than ever. The future of XRP is brighter than it's been in years, and investors who stuck with it through the rough times will be rewarded. May soon see big gains, so why is the price of XRP expected to rise to $5,000? Several important reasons may be behind this huge increase in value. First and foremost, the end of the SEC lawsuit removes a major hurdle for Ripple, making it easier for the company to grow its business without the constant threat of legal action. The Ripple can now put all of your attention on building its partnerships, technology, and ways to use it. Ripple already has connections with major banks and payment providers around the world. As more businesses start to use Ripple's blockchain for cross-border payments, the demand for XRP will rise. XRP's usefulness in the financial world is another important reason for its possible rise. While many other cryptocurrencies are still looking for use cases in the real world, XRP has already shown its worth in the payments industry. Ripple's answer makes cross-border transactions faster, cheaper, and more efficient, which is exactly what banks and other financial institutions need in today's globalized economy. More banks are using Ripple's technology to settle payments. More people will probably want to buy XRP, which could raise the price. If you use XRP more, it will become more valuable, making a cycle that helps it grow. Another big factor is institutional adoption. Many institutional investors have been waiting for legal clarity before jumping into XRP. Now that the regulatory fog is cleared, these investors are likely to fill the market, putting a lot of money into XRP. When institutional investors get involved, a cryptocurrency's value can quickly soar to new heights as more big names in finance start to use Ripple's technology, and XRP as a bridge currency, the price could go through the roof as demand rises. Lastly, the fact that cryptocurrency is becoming more accepted in mainstream finance is a key reason in XRP's. As cryptocurrencies continue to grow around the world, XRP's place as a quick, scalable, and cheap way to send money to other countries makes it a good choice for investors. XRP's price could reach a new all-time high as more people use it in the real world and more institutions become interested in it. All of these things are working in Ripple's favor, which makes the future of XRP look very bright. What does this all mean for people who already own XRP? The SEC deal approval is more than just a legal win for Ripple. It's a giant game changer.